hammer because it will tend to bend it more. Have a little more control on where it is, and I want to. Good job. With me knocking that thing all around, you're holding it pretty good.
You hit it straight at my help.
Now,
Here, let's hit her again.
hang on just a minute. Let me hold it with these, and we will go ahead and start keeping it
Straight.
straight.
All right.
And get this end down.
That's what always happens. Good job.
Show this one for the. Now, after the third heating, we're ready to punch the eye. But I have to heat the head first. The head end.
So it's a flat on one side, oval on the other side. It's got two holes in it. And runs wire.
All right.
Three-prong.
And we're going to punch it this way, right?
No, well, we normally punch it the other way, the top.
Oh,
It's hot. I was thinking first fan. One fan up there, it's not hot yet. Oh, there's another
First
fan.
punch.
why?
First punch is the most important.
Tilt it back towards you a little bit. There you go.
Most important punch of all. It's got to be.
5 4 5 tips.
Okay.
So get more gas.
Right, get this in.
Yeah, so
A little more to the, wait,
I
should have
cleaned it up a little bit.
to my
They
left.
work fine outside.
Got it?
When I put them in the forge, one of them sputtered.
Looks about right.
You wait. Start at one end.
Looks good.
So I cleaned that up. My part of that was the actual installation, all the fracking.
Okay. Slightly
Got
to this
because I'm
side.
going
We
into that.
straighten it out.
I think yours is the same way.
Okay, first punch is the most important. Get it centered. Take the picture closer.
Yeah, it was like not like I think it was not like it was a cloud, like it was just
Y'all seen it? See, there's
like
not
humidity. I was thinking, damn.
Slide your
I've
palms
been
back a
in
little
Atlanta
bit.
for 3 days, and it's not nice, but it rained in the afternoons, but it was going to shoot in the morning.
We got it started good.
Good morning, baby.
Now,
Oh, yeah.
I'm leaning my chisel slightly to the east because it was bulging a little bit. My hole wasn't exactly right. That pulled it back straight. Now the hole is
Right, straightener.
more better.
Might want to cool that chisel.
Yeah. After we have the hole, the chisel hole almost through, and we can see a black spot on the bottom of the anvil, we put it on this what we call our drifting jig. And we first put it on this hole to finish chiseling through. We get through about 1/4 of an inch. Then the next heating, we switch to the tomahawk drift and use this hole. This is a mouse hawk drift. This is a full size. So this is an all-purpose tomahawk drifting tool, we call it. Let's punch this thing serious. Some serious punching this time. We'll get some heavier hammer.
Yeah, I don't want you to get a bigger one.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Color of the green would have to be brown, but I've seen ones with black.
Let's look at the bottom of it.
You're almost through.
Almost put it, let me hit it about twice more.
Now be careful.
So this,
Might want to put it on a sacrificial plate.
we'll go to the drift tool next. Turn it over, let me straighten it.
Yeah, pretty close.
We'll go to the drifting jig next. Still using the punch.
Low
back if you can. Those tongs are not, we might have to get, slide it back. Well, your tongs are way too far towards me. There we go, now push it up. Push it hard, push it, there you go. Now, you gotta get it over the hole. Barely through, but that's enough to hit it about 4 more times.
Back and forth once or twice.
Well, okay, turn it over inside there somewhere. Okay, we're through with the chisel.
Put this back.
The next drift will be with the tomahawk drift in this teardrop slot on the drifting jig. I have an old drift. This one will not do a final drift because the eye's too small. We beat it up, reground it, beat it up so bad we couldn't use it anymore. But I'll finish with my nicer one. But this one is just, I use this one to preserve a nice one.
These things
We
come-
probably made 50, 60 tomahawks with this one. And then had to, probably 70 and had to replace it.
All right. Ready?
Yes, sir.
All right.
You gotta get it further. You gotta get it further. Okay, there you go.
Make sure it's straight. There you go.
I'll knock it out.
It's going to be where all the wires heading. You know what I mean? And we know where they go.
Not a whole plate, just because.
Here's a finished one. Has a hole in it. And
I use it mostly because bigger stuff.
I would like it not quite that big. I would like to drive it down a little further. So now let's see how far this jig goes into here.
Right through it.
Okay, so we want to leave
I decided to get the bigger.
almost 2 inches on this jig when we drift it. At least 1 3/4 inches. Get it back.
Carry around on a contract. And I got more of these like hard, really
Straight up.
awesome.
When the bend doesn't make me.
Well, I can just. They kind of loosened it up.
Put out the word on the lunch thing.
Ready?
I just
May have to.
Welded in there, I guess.
Yeah.
Then I'm going another way around. That's right there. There's a little bit of wire.
There you go. Can't hit it too hard.
Talk to me.
Hit it. Looking good. Now, 4 more, 3, 2 more times. Hey, man, we're always flip.
We gotta figure out
The ends of it always flip up.
Do you have a meter? You do, right?
All right.
You know, a little hand
All right.
meter?
Now.
I think we've used it.
Hit the corner.
Well, you happen to think of where it is.
Now, let me show you. What you talking about right there?
Check.
Nope, right, like
Yeah, we
this.
don't.
I thought you were.
We don't know.
You knock this edge
Check
down.
it out.
Yeah, because it naturally
this
turns
first.
up. Sure. Got to knock it down.
I looked it up on one.
Usually,
the green yellow is
knocks out easier.
So, right, so I didn't screw anything up. I looked at it.
Should knock out. Yeah. See, it knocked that hole in it. Yeah.
Hey,
Forgot about that. Doesn't take long.
Mr. Ron? Mr.
I
Ron?
learned quick.
Mr. Ron, could you hold that up?
So we got it pretty good.
We need to have
Some tongs.
Mango.
We're going to spread the glaze of the hawk out, and we're going to use a fuller. I have a double fuller that I use on my power hammer. You can use a single puller, you can use a hammer.
Well, this will be half the time.
Tighten it down, I'll stick it in that way and move it. Yeah, I'll be right there.
Yeah.
Not bad for one heating.
Did I? So you don't get too big of marks in it.
I'm just doing the final smoothing out, angling, beveling the blade. And get it straight.
That's a good hammer. Your machine's hammer.
I'd like to get out.
But it doesn't matter. If your check is
Pretty straight. Pretty straight.
just smoothing things out right now. Yeah.
Knocking down the highway.
Right. Yeah. It's just smoothing out the ripple.
There we go. I'm big on the grinder.
Ripples give it a nice character. Yeah.
To color my handles, I use this tool. It has slots in it. I take my torch and I go through each one of these holes as fast as I can. Then I turn it over, go through on the other side, and it comes out like this.
Were we fixing to heat treat? Or we fixing to make a handle?
We fix to put a handle on this one. This one actually needs to be heat treated. Like we take the finished head and we bevel it so that the handle will slide in it and not booger up or peel out that part. So this one's ready to put in. Let's put it in.
Bring that slope, that drainage
Drop it in the
down
jig.
around the original house there, so that low spot. Kind of close to the back
Make the hole on this one slightly large, so I didn't hit it very many times.
What do we do? And then there's the house across the street.
You want to drive it to the end.
Then there's a lot at the very
There
end.
we are.
It's going to be right by you.
Now to heat treat, I usually take the torch and heat just the edge, puts it in oil, and you don't draw it back because this is not real high carbon steel. It doesn't need to be drawn back. Just puts it in oil, makes it about perfect. Just heat the edge, anti-magnetic, point it north to south, south, north.
Scientists don't understand why. Do what?
And you still got a little left. Tell him why we heat it on the
Yeah, we always heat it to where we're going to quench it. Non-magnetic, we use that magnet, and then we hold the blade. That's south and that's north. As long as it doesn't matter, as long as it's north and south.
Cut into it north and south.
Yeah, because and keep moving it. And because just as it reaches back to non-critical, it'll bend. If you hold it this way, it's going to bend toward the north.
The instant you touch the oil, it becomes magnetic. And there's a north pull, magnetic pull on the earth, and it will tend to pull it. If it's this way, it will tend to pull it a little bit. Not always, but 1 in 10 or 20 might warp. If it's this way, it can't pull it.